Hello everybody, Chewy here. Today, our next 4 segments is going to be chicken salads. And today, I'm going to make for you a chicken salad with grapes. Now, before you look into this, I want you to look at your honey to see if it's crystallized. And I will show you how to fix that honey if your honey is thick and you can't get it out of your little bear. So, first things first, just a reminder, all these recipes are quartered, and the full recipes will be in the description with the video. So, for this today, we're using a cup and a half of shredded chicken, cubed. Now, what I do when I make a full batch or whatever of this, I go to Sam's Club or Costco and I get one of their rotisserie chickens, which is just fine to use. That way, you skip a step that you don't have to make it. We've got 2 tablespoons of celery, quarter cups of grapes. Doesn't matter if it's green, red, black, purple. Just a quarter of a cup of grapes. And this jar is going to be your dressing, which is a quarter of a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of honey, an eighth of a teaspoon of pepper, a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. And it's just really easy. Take your bowl here and your chicken, dump it in, your celery, your grapes, and I apologize for the clock. Singing to you, and then we're going to take all the ingredients in the dressing and we're going to mix everything together. I'm going to take it and I'm going to pour it over the grapes and the celery and the chicken. Take your spatula, mix it all together. Actually, this calls for pecans too. My partner does not like nuts, so I omit it from the recipe, but you don't have to. And I do find out it does taste better after it sits for a while. So let's try a little bit of it. Right now with the way it tastes. You got the tanginess from the Dijon, the sweetness from the honey, all showing up within the dressing of the chicken. And then, pardon me while I'm doing. And once it sits for a while, you'll get more of the flavors marinating together that it's going to taste better. So, that's our first recipe. Chicken salad with grapes. I would serve this, they say, to serve it on a croissant roll. Or as I usually do it, I just take a bit of lettuce and take a couple of scoops and put it on top. So I hope you enjoy this salad. And we'll get into the next one very shortly.